Hey guys, hi and welcome to the video. This video, I want to share a small application oriented video. So we have done a lot of demo. What I'm trying to show you is the architecture. How would you or how would I develop this if I had given, right? So the goal here is say whenever a ticket is created on ClickUp or Jira or whatever software you're using, well, I want to assign a priority based on machine learning. Now, what is the goal, right? For example, let's say a customer said this is not working, the product, he gives some negative review, right? Or whatever, something happened, right? So the task is created, and based on that sentiment, we want to prioritize that ticket from the other tickets. Like for example, there are a lot of tickets. I want to give high priority to the negative sentiment ticket because the customer is unhappy, and that needs to be addressed first than the other one, right? How do we build this architecture on cloud, on AWS? And here is my first approach by just thinking it. So what I'm thinking is, guys, ClickUp, Jira, and all that has a webhook, right? Webhook is essentially whenever anything happens, and they would essentially relay that event. It's a hook, right? So what this will do is essentially, in my previous video, I explained to you about webhooks, right? So whenever a new task is created, it would essentially invoke our API, which is running on API gateway and a Lambda. Now that Lambda would essentially pass the message to the event bus. Now from the event bus, we have a new, on an event bridge, we have an event bus called a new ticket event bus, right? So essentially all these messages are flowing on that, right? Now after that, what we would do is we would invoke a Lambda. The job of the Lambda is to essentially take the ticket title and the description, pass it to the comprehend. AWS comprehend is a service that allows you to get sentiment of from a text value, so you get the sentiment and the score, right? And if the sentiment is negative, you wanna give a priority to the ticket. So now you can come to the ClickUp API, or Jira, whatever you're using, is urgent, is high, is normal. So there are all these APIs, right? You can simply call that API, and that would essentially update the ticket priority. So this architecture. This architecture that I'm showing you here would automatically assign priority. For example, a more negative sentiment ticket would be given a higher priority than a regular normal tickets, right? So as I said, really easy, right? All we are doing is adding a webhook, and essentially the webhook is passing all the messages to the event bus. From the event bus, we can have several rules, right? Depending upon, let's say, the project, or you could filter out, or you could have different consumers, right? And these consumer would invoke comprehend your application logic, get the sentiment, and after that call again their API to set the priority as low, high, medium. You could do all these nice, amazing, cool stuff with that. Hope this is useful. I'm gonna try to make more and more videos, like architecture videos on AWS. Okay, what services do we need to use? What blocks we can use? How we can connect all these things? That. But that's it for this video. If you really have enjoyed this small walkthrough, let me know in the comment section below. If you want to have more sessions like this, also let me know in the comments so I can create more tutorials similar to this, right? So in this way, this architecture essentially can set priorities for whenever a new task or a ticket is created. Hope you have enjoyed a small walkthrough. If so, do give a like. If you have any questions, list your question in the comments, and I would be very happy to assist you. Thank you so much. See you guys next time.